Arthur's point of view. It's Jimin's 21st birthday. Yoongi planned so many surprises for him. For that, he took him a special place. To make it more special, he rented a bike because Jimin loves bike ride. When he was sitting behind Yoongi, he saw a faded teeth mark on his right earlobe. He became super mad after seeing that. Yoongi noticed this and decided to make him more jealous. So he started teasing him by the name of his new kid. He kept teasing him and Jimin became super jealous. He hit him and told him that only he can be his kid. No one allowed to take his place. He is only his Yun. Yoongi smiled to see his possessiveness. He brought him a bouquet too. He took him a special place for his birthday surprise. Let's see what happens next. Jimin, so you are going to throw me by the boat? His mind stopped working, guys. Yoongi, yep. I came here while riding 2 hours to throw you in the sea. I'm in lake. I hired this boat because I wanted to throw you in the middle of the lake and push you. You said you know swimming now. That's why I will throw you in the middle of the lake so you can't swim back. Jimin, really? Yoongi held his hand and started dragging him. Talking with you means banging my head on wall. You won't understand anything because your pea-sized brain stopped working. Jimin laughed. I was just kidding, Yun. I know. We came here for boating. I already saw the boat. Yoongi, you little chimney. You are so mean. Jimin, but less than you, Minnie, Yuni. Arthur, and here we go again. They are bickering here too. They will never gonna change. Are Yunmin? Yoongi held Jimin's hand. Now go inside. Jimin, but it was moving so much. How can I go? I'm scared. You go first. Yoongi, okay, wait. Went inside the boat. Now give me your hand and come inside. Jimin, I'm scared. What if it fall into the sea? Yoongi, first of all, it's lake, not the sea. It won't fall by your feather like weight, and if fall, then you know swimming, right? Jimin, yeah, I know swimming too. I forget it. Nervously laughed. Jimin gave his right hand to Yoongi, and Yoongi gently held it and helped him to come inside. It's his first time to go on the boat. Yoongi, are you comfortable? Jimin, but it is still moving. Yoongi, of course it will be. Now come and sit. Jimin immediately sat on the seat. What's this, Yun? Yoongi, while sitting on the seat, it's called paddle. Without it, boat can't move. Jimin made O face. Oh, found a flower crown. Yun, see how beautiful it is. Yoongi took the flower crown in his hand. Tiara. It's beautiful. Jimin, bored, made me wear it. Yoongi, are you mad? It's for girls, not for boy. You can't wear it. Jimin looked at him. Who said this? I saw in K-dramas, male lead made this wear to his partner. I'm also your partner. You should also make me wear this. Yoongi, yeah, but a man made this wear to woman. Jimin, I don't know anything. Made me wear. Bored. Yoongi, you are so stubborn. Made him wear tiara. Jimin happily. How's this? Yoongi lost in his beauty. Beautiful. Jimin blushed hard. Click my pic with this tiara. Yoongi, yeah, why not? Took out his mobile and clicked his pics and showed to him. See? Jimin blushed hard. It's pretty, right? Yoongi, more than that, took out some boxes and placed it in front of him. It was totally 19 boxes for you. Jimin, for me? What's in this? Yoongi, while paddling the boat, see it by yourself. Jimin happily opened the boxes. Food! It's 19 different dishes in small boxes. Each dish from them. Our Jim's tummy is so small now. Jimin took out everything on the plate and made Yoongi see happiness is clearly visible from his eyes and face. Jimin, Yoon, see? Yoongi, while looking at Jimin's happy face, I'm seeing. Have it. Your cute tummy must be hungry. Jimin gave Yoongi first bite. Open your mouth, say ah. Yoongi, I brought this for you. You have it. Jimin, I didn't ask your will. I said open your mouth. Ah. Yoongi didn't have any option other than obeying him. He ate the first bite. Jimin, how's it? Yoongi, tasty. Now have it. Jimin hungrily ate the food. It's so tasty. You know, I didn't eat my breakfast. Grandma gave me only bread and jam. I didn't like it. I was so hungry. Yoongi felt bad. I'm sorry, kid. Because of me, Grandma stayed you starve. She didn't prepare any special dish for you because I wanted to take you here and do our brunch here, middle of the lake with the nature. Said in mind, Yoongi, eat slowly, it's all yours. How's it? Jimin, while eating, it's good but not better than you. Your food is the best. Fed Yoongi too. Yoongi, while munching his food, why are you feeding me? It's for you, not for me. Jimin, you took me here by riding the bike for 2 hours and now you are pedaling. You are doing so much hard work. Your body needs energy too. You have to ride the bike back for 2 hours. For that, you need strength. And I can't finish this much food alone. So, you have to give me company too. Now stop talking and enjoying the luxury brunch. You will remember that the Prince of Busan feed you by his own hand. Yoongi smiled to see his dogs. Yeah, why not, my Prince of Busan? They both were enjoying their brunch while talking with each other. Yoongi, kid, have this too. Give him a popsicle cake. Jimin, it's so cute. How can I eat this? I can't eat it. Are you seeing my hard work to find out cute and unique pics? Yoongi, don't think much and have it. It's here's a specialty. Jimin, really? Yoongi, okay. Now close your eyes and eat. Jimin took a bite. It's so delicious. Fed Yoongi too. Yoongi, I have one more thing for you. Jimin excitedly, what? Yoongi gave him one more box. See this by yourself. Jimin excitedly opened the box. Wow! Yoongi, do you like it? Jimin, are you serious? I loved it. About to jump. Yoongi, don't jump. We are in the middle of the lake. Boat will fall. Jimin, oops, sorry, but it's so cute. From where you find these cute things? Yoongi, I know my kids like cute things, so I found out for him. They both ate the cake too. It was very small cake. You can say a cupcake. Yoongi brought the things only that much which they can have. They were enjoying just then a group of ducks came there. Jimin shouts, Yoon! Yoongi, I'm sure I will become a thief very soon. Now what? Why are you shouting? Jimin, point on ducks. See that? Ducks! Yoongi looked at them. 7 ducks. Jimin, 7? But they are counted only 6. Yoongi held Jimin's spout with his one hand. One duck is here, my personal pee-pee chick. Jimin bite his finger. Ha, fake laugh. Very funny. Yoongi, you are becoming more dangerous. Yesterday you scratched me and now you bite me. Look like I have to tame you. Jimin looked at him. Tame me? What does it mean? Yoongi, nothing. You just greet your family members. See, they are looking at you. Jimin threw some food in the water. Eat well. Ducks started eating. Yun, see, they're eating. Yungi, I told you na, you are one of the family member. How can they not eat food which was given by their own family member? They both were happily bickering and enjoying the nature. Arthur's point of view. Yungi took him here because Jimin loves nature and he loves to see his kid's happy face. That's why he always took him on silent places where he can enjoy his kid's beautiful face and hear his melodious voice. He can hire a boatman. He doesn't need to do this much physical workout. But if he hired a boatman, then there wasn't any privacy. He has to share Jimin's movement with him too. And that he can't share with anyone, not even his families too. That's why he took him here. Did you notice Yoongi gave Jimin total 21 food items because today Jimin turned 21 years old. Now he legally become an adult. Now he can do everything. He can give him 21 expensive gifts too, but that will no use for Jimin because he knows his kid is so pure. He doesn't like expensive gifts. He loves food. For him, food is life. That's why he gave him 21 food items. True love never forces you to change. It accepts you the way you are, with your goods and faults. Just like Yoongi accepted Jimin with his cute, innocent, and mature side. He doesn't want Jimin leaves his cute, innocent and bubbly side. He knows Jimin is a little baby who needs him and a strong partner whom he needs to really. He loves his both his sides. He loves him with full heart. That's a love. When you don't have fear of being judged, when you don't need to think about anything before talking to your partner, when you can understand the silence of your partner, that's called true love. But it's very rare now. Time skipped after some times. Yunmin were enjoying the boating and saw the nature from near. They both were very happy. Jimin was so happy. He never came on board, so his excitement is on next level. Well, Yoongi also never come on board. He wasn't interested to go outside. He only wants to sleep all the time. But after Jimin's arrival in his life, everything is changed. Now he wants to take his kid everywhere in the world. Just for Jimin, he spent lots of time on his mobile to search unique, beautiful, and peaceful places. He knows Jimin isn't comfortable with lots of people and can't enjoy because of hesitation. But with him, he was enjoying with his whole heart. He couldn't think before talking or doing anything. He is very comfortable, and plus, he doesn't want to share his angel's glimpses with anyone. Right now, Jimin was massaging Yoongi's shoulder and Yoongi was paddling the boat with the help of paddles. Yoongi, what are you doing? Come and sit here. Jimin, I sat for long times. Let me massage your shoulders. It must be hurting. Yoongi, I'm fine. It's not hurting. I brought you here to show you the views. And here you are wasting your time to massage my shoulders. Jimin, no, I'm not wasting my time. How can I enjoy when you are in pain? Tell me. Yoongi became speechless. He doesn't know what to say. Tell me now. Why are you silent? Yoongi, you're talking too much nowadays. Jimin, you didn't talk much, so I have to talk for two persons now. Yoongi grabbed his right arm and made him sit on his place. I'm fine. You just sit here. Jimin, Big Winnie pout. You always order me, snatched the paddles from Yoongi's hand. Now I will paddle. You are doing this since we came here. Now it's my turn. You just enjoy and relax your hands. Yoongi crossed arm. Okay, fine. Do whatever you want. Jimin happily. Thank you. I smiled. Jimin tried to paddle the boat, but it wasn't moving, not even a single inch. He was putting his all the force, but then also it wasn't moving. For paddling the boat, you need lots of strength. Yoongi was watching everything, but neither he helped Jimin nor say anything to him. He was just looking and enjoying Jimin's trust-fitted face. Jimin to the boat. You mini boat, start moving now. Why are you embarrassing me in front of you? Let's start now. Don't do this. It's bad manners. You know na. Now get start like a good boat. Otherwise, I will complain to you from your owner. Then nobody ride on you. Think wisely. If you will help me, then I will praise you. Then lots of people come to ride on you. You never feel lonely. You will help me, na? Said in whispering tone. Jimin was talking with the board and tried his best to convince it to get a start. He thought nobody heard him because he was whispering, but Yoongi heard everything by his cat bars and smiled brightly to hear his silly talks. Jimin again tried with his full strength, but no use. Boat still didn't move from its place. Now Jimin became super mad and started scolding the boat. Yoongi, oh hello, I'm searching you since a long time. Can you please do me a favor? Please don't say no. It's really very important for me. What did you say? Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Jimin looked at Yoongi. Yun, with whom are you talking? Here isn't anyone. Yoongi looked at him. Shh, don't disturb us. I'm talking with your family member. What will she think about you? Jimin, eyes widened. My family member? Yoongi, point and lake. Yeah, see? Jimin looked there where Yoongi pointed and found a cute duck. Yoongi, oh, sorry from his behalf. You know na, he doesn't understand anything at one time. So what was I saying? Yeah, please do me a favor. My kid lost his bean-sized brain somewhere in the water. Can you please find it? Jimin was looking at Yoongi and Duck and tried to process their conversation. Jimin finally understood everything. You mini Uni, how mean you are. Yoongi, what mean? Can't I ask help from your family member? To Duck, please find his bean-sized brain. Jimin shouts, I will not talk to you. Yoongi, why? Now what did I do? See? Duck nodded his head and left. She also understood. Now you will definitely get back your lost bean-sized brain. Jimin, fake laugh, ha ha ha, very funny. You and this duck are partners. You both team up and left me alone. Yoongi, so what will you do? Jimin looked here and there. Wait, let me tell you. What can I do? He put his hand under the water and started splashing it on Yoongi with his tiny baby hands. Yoongi, hey, you little chimney, stop it. What are you doing? Jimin, while splashing the water, enjoy, I won't stop. Yoongi, I'm warning you, stop it, otherwise it won't be good for you. Jimin, I won't stop, what will you do? Continue splashing the water. Yoongi, okay fine, now don't complain. He also started splashing the water on him. Jimin's hands were small, so small amount of water he splashed. But Yoongi's hands is big. By one splash, his half body get wet. They both turned into small kids. Jimin wins. Hey, it's cheating. Yoongi, what cheating? You started splashing the water first. I warned you, but you didn't listen to me. Now bear it. Jimin showed his hands. My hands are small. You are taking advantage of it. Yoongi, it's not my fault. Started splashing the water. Jimin immediately pulled a super cute face. How can you do this with your super cute kid? What if your kid catch cold, then fever, then... Yoongi threw the water on the lake. Okay, now no more water fight. Give me the paddles, I will paddle it. Jimin, no, I wanna do this. Yoongi, it needs too much strength. Your cute baby hands will hurt. Jimin, no, let me try, please. Yoongi melted on his pleas. Okay, try it one more time. Jimin tried one more time, but nothing happened. His face turned so small. Suddenly, body started moving. He happily looked at Yoongi and saw his hands on his hand. Yoongi's hands were moving over Jimin's baby hands. His eyes started shining due to happiness. He was about to say something, but trembled a little and came closer to Yoongi. He immediately closed his eyes tightly. Yoongi wasn't looking at him. When he looked at him, his face was very close to him. Yoongi's point of view. Jimin was looking sad because he couldn't move the boat. How can I see him like this? So I decided to help him. I put my hand on his baby hands. His cute baby hands were really so small. My hands completely hid his hands. I applied the force and boat started moving. Jimin again became happy. His eyes started shining. I was fully concentrating on taking the boat at the side, but suddenly Jimin came closer to me. I'm sure he must be trembled. He was closing his eyes very tightly. His breathing was very fast. We can feel each other's breathing on our face. My eyes stuck on his plumpy lips, which were parted away a little. He was looking so beautiful. His plumpy and rosy lips invited me to kiss him. He was driving me crazy without doing anything. I really want to kiss him so bad, but to be continued. Questions. How's the episode? Will Yoongi kiss Jimin? Why hasn't Yoongi wished him yet? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. How's our Yunmin's boat ride? Did you enjoy? If you think that Yoongi's surprises end here, then you are wrong. Yoongi planned so many surprises for his one and only kid. I am sure you will become so happy after seeing that. I thought to make one shots in between the story, but now I don't want to make it. Now I will first finish the Jimin's birthday. After that I will write an one shot. I noticed nowadays I'm writing too long episodes, which I shouldn't do. You know what? Some people think writing is so easy. You don't need to do anything. An author don't have any right to complain about it because they are doing their work. They can talk by any way they want because it's their right, but author can't reply them. What's your thought on it? Please tell me in comment section. I wanna know. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.